In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful, have you ever wondered? What if one of the greatest acts of worship isn't just praying more, but treating people with kindness? Many of us believe that the only way to get closer to Allah is through prayer, fasting, or giving charity. And without a doubt, these are among the greatest acts of worship. But Islam also teaches us something beautiful. A person with good character holds a special place in the sight of Allah. Now think about this. What benefit is there in praying every day if we hurt people with our words? What good is fasting if we constantly lose our temper, insult others, or break someone's heart? Our relationship with Allah is important, but so is the way we treat His creation. The Prophet Muhammad was the greatest example of good character. He was gentle with children, respectful to elders, generous to those in need, and kind even to people who treated him unfairly. His smile brought comfort, his words gave hope, and his character inspired hearts long before it changed lives. So ask yourself, how do you speak to your parents? How do you treat your brothers and sisters? How do you respond when someone disagrees with you? Sometimes we're polite to strangers, but harsh with the people who love us the most. True good character begins at home. Anyone can be kind when life is easy. But real character is revealed when you're angry, when you're disappointed, or when someone hurts you. The strongest person isn't the one who wins every argument. The strongest person is the one who controls their anger. A kind word can heal a broken heart. A sincere apology can end years of resentment. And a simple smile can brighten someone's entire day. Starting today, make a sincere intention to improve your character. Speak the truth. Avoid backbiting. Forgive those who wrong you. Be patient. Be humble. And treat every person with the same respect that you would want for yourself. Remember, people may forget what you said. They may forget what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Good character doesn't only earn the love of people, it earns the pleasure of Allah. May Allah bless us with sincerity, patience, humility, and beautiful character. May He allow us to follow the example of the Prophet Muhammad in every part of our lives. Ameen. If this reminder touched your heart, share it with someone you care about. You never know. A single reminder can change a life.